Welcome to Hershey's Chocolate World in Hershey, Pennsylvania. And this was our very first time here. And in this honest review, we are walking you through the whole Chocolate World building, riding the free Hershey's Chocolate Tour, taking the trolley tour around the town, and answering big question everyone asks before they go: is Hershey's Chocolate World actually worth it? Let's start with the building itself, because honestly this was our favorite part. The second you walk in, the whole place smells like chocolate. It's huge inside, a massive candy store, chocolate displays everywhere, shops, food court, and this fun, colorful vibe the whole way through. We just kept walking around taking it all in, and here is the best part. Walking into the building is completely free, no ticket needed. And we hopped on the Hershey's Chocolate Tour. This ride is free too. You sit in a little car and it takes you through how chocolate gets made, from cocoa beans all the way to the candy bar. There are even singing cows, and at the end you get a free chocolate sample. This was a highlight for us. Going in 2026, the tour gets special American makeover for the country's 250th birthday. Plus, there is a Liberty Bell display inside the building.
You're full jolly, man. So if you get any taller, you're not.
What is he doing? So guys, we are going for a trolley ride here, which is like 45 minutes. We also tried the trolley tour around the town of Hershey, and I'll be straight with you. For us, it was just okay. It cost extra, and honestly, we are not sure it was worth the money. If you are on a budget, this is the one you can skip.
watching our video.
Trolley ride.
Trolley ride at Hershey's.
Cheese.
Was it fun? Did you like it? What did you see?
We got chocolate. We got Reese's Pieces. Reese's. And we got Hershey Bar and Hershey Kisses.
Kendall, cute.
Thank you for watching our video.
So we are getting out of the trolley, and then what are we gonna do? दुईटा छ अरे क्या? There's a big line already. Bye bye.
Okay. You can take a picture with Sophie.
Thank you. Bye bye. Kenzo, Kenzo. After the tour, we grabbed the food at the cafe. It was fine, nothing special. And here is something important to know before you go. Parking is not free unless you buy one of the attraction packages inside. The paid extras add up fast, so plan for that. So the biggest question, is Hershey's Chocolate World worth it? For us, yes. It was our first time. The free chocolate tour was great, and the whole place just has this fun feeling, happy feeling to it. And would you come back every year? Probably not. But if you have never been, going once is absolutely worth it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching
this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If this helped you plan your trip, drop a like and subscribe. We make honest family travel videos just like this, and see you on the next stop.